Okay, so hi, my name is Leon. What we're showing today is our latest, greatest chipset, the MSM8660 Snapdragon, and this is a mobile development platform that is, that has this next generation chip. Eventually, this is something that we give to the developers to develop applications on our chip. So one of the cool things about the 8660 is it's capable of doing 1080p high definition video. So I'm going to go ahead. Now this is a very, very high bitrate video. This is 18 megabits per second, 1080p.
It's 3D?
No.
Not yet.
But
Yeah.
this is 2D.
Yeah.
Very high definition clip, and this is all coming out of your mobile device. We're basically showing, we're basically streaming it out of the HDMI connection on the device. So now you have a 1080p Blu-ray player inside your mobile device. Now I'm not done yet.
30 frames per second? Or?
30 frames per second. Now I'm not done yet because not only you can do that in 2D, you're also able to do it in 3D. So let's move on to...
So you use RealD active shutter.
Active shutter glasses. So this, what the device is doing is generating the left and the right pictures.
Yeah.
So go ahead. Also, what we're doing is we're showing 1080p 3D with Dolby surround sound audio. So this is the first time that's being done. This clip.
This is
Dolby
3D
surround sound. You need to press the button.
Wow. So you got a 3D player in there in your pocket. So is that the 1080p 30 frames per second? 3D?
Yes, it is. This is 30 frames per second, 1080p coming out of the mobile device.
But doesn't that mean that in theory it could play back 60 frames per second without 3D?
So no, it's actually 30 frames per second. Now we're going to 15, right? So that's coming in.
So it's 15 each. All right.
Okay. Now, so not only our chip is capable of doing 1080p playback, it's also capable of capturing 3D content in 1080p. So what we've done here is we basically retrofitted one of these MDP devices with a 3D camera module. So now you're taking capturing two streams and making it into 3D. So we're going to go ahead and switch it to that. Okay. So now you're seeing live captured content in 3D.
That's cool.
Coming, so the device is capturing it and playing it back at the same time. And it's all 1080p 3D.
Nice. That's good.
Impressive, huh?
Okay.
So not only you have the Blu-ray player, now you have the camera all in one. So
3D is everything's 3D.
Everything's 3D, yes.
3D capable.
3D, yes.
All right. But
so the only thing you need now is a commercial phone that has the two cameras embedded, and then you have a 3D camera.
But you don't need to have 120 hertz TV to see it, or can you use like a normal 60 hertz TV?
Well, obviously the 120 hertz TV is going to be a better experience. Yeah. But it just depends on what you...
It can work on any HD TV.
It's compatible with the 3D technologies in most TVs.
Most TVs?
Most TVs, yes.
It means basically any HD TV is a 3D TV now also, but not the full frame rate.
The TV has to be 3D capable.
Ah, okay.
Before you can do it.
Ah, it's not any, okay.
It's not any TV, any 3D TV.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
Thanks.